Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Solana multiplier website safely, step by step. However, before we begin, it's essential to note that this is for educational purposes only. I want to emphasize that I'm not a financial advisor, and it's crucial to never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, Solana has introduced a multiplier website exclusively for its loyal users. For example, if you possess 2 Solana tokens, you could receive 4 Solana in return, provided your wallet meets certain eligibility criteria, such as being active and having a history of swapping and bridging a total of 1,000 USD. From my own experience, I've received a total of 4,000 worth of SOL tokens. It's important to note that while this website is legitimate, it has its limits. It doesn't send more than 20,000, and it only sends once for each wallet. This means you can't participate twice with the same wallet. This is a golden opportunity for all crypto enthusiasts, and it could potentially be a game changer for your crypto journey. Alright, that's the full walkthrough. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with someone who trades Solana, and subscribe for more crypto safety and tutorial content. Remember to stay smart, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.